I'm here today to show you how to upload a link or a URL to your Canvas assignment. So you're going to click the assignment. So mine is just a practice assignment here. I'm going to press submit. I've already tried this one time. So if you need to resubmit assignment, you just press resubmit, but it'll say submit the first time. Okay, and press submit. And then I'm going to click the URL right here. Okay, there's a few different ways you can get your URL. You can go to any YouTube video that you've created. So, should all right, so I got a YouTube video that I uploaded to my channel. I'm going to take the URL, copy it, and paste it into the the website URL. So, and then I would either you can write comments to me. So if you have anything you need to tell me about the video or something, you can write it here, and then you press submit assignment. Another way to get a URL link is to go to your Screencastify after you make a video in Screencastify. What's nice about this is that you can press this blue copy a link. Okay. And then back to your assignment, and I'm going to paste it in right here. Okay. Um, the good thing about going through Screencastify to get the link is that it shares the link as anyone can view. All right, so the last way I know to get a link from Screencastify is to go to your Google Drive. Mine's thinking. Okay, there, a Screencastify will make a folder in your Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and click Screencastify. I'm going to select the file that I want, so like this one, and I like to right click it and say Get Link. Then I'm going to double check that my share settings are anyone with a link can view, or anyone in our school district can view. Okay, so, and then I'm just going to double check it's on viewer. Done. Oh, I didn't actually get the link. Whoa, now. Okay, so I'm going to copy the link and go to Screencastify, or go to my assignment in Canvas, paste the link in, and then now I'm ready. So those are 3 different ways you can submit a link into Canvas. So now I'm just going to go ahead and press submit. And you can see that I got confetti. So I know I submitted my assignment. And then on the right-hand side where it says submission, it says it's submitted, and it tells me it's submitted today at 9:51 a.m. All right, if you want to see more details, you can press submission details, and it'll kind of give you like what you submitted. And then this is also the page where I will give you any kind of feedback on your assignment.